Hi guys, got another little 3D printed puzzle by Gzumwalt, as I like to pronounce his name. I'm not quite sure how you would pronounce it. That's Gzumwalt. Yes. There'll be a link in the video description to his video. It's a double-ended bolt. But in the middle of it, there's a treasure or a prize. What you have to try and do is open it. You can probably see there's a line along there, a split in the bolt. Another one there, another one there, and another one there. And somehow it comes apart. There we are. I'm sure my grandsons would be rather pleased to find that. That's what UK money looks like. Bank of England, £5. See-through. Yeah, you have to get it aligned right. There we are. Twist that. Sealed. Obviously you could smash it open if you really knew there was money inside. Anyway, check out his channel, his video. Links in the video description. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.